Do you understand what a good fashion illustration is? Fashion illustrations are not just pretty drawings of a garment. In fact, it's a detailed interpretation of our thoughts and ideas to understand the look of the final product. It helps other people like master, tailor, assistant designers, merchandisers, buyers, clients, to understand your thoughts, and to execute your ideas into reality. Hi, Sanyam Jain, an experienced digital fashion illustrator, has come up with an online course on digital fashion illustration. This course not only help you to understand how to make a digital illustration, but will also help you to understand technicalities of it. Technicalities, not only related to design, but also related to the proportion of a croquis, of a garment, how gravity affects the fallen angles of the fabric, how light affects the depth of different fabrics, and how we can render those fabrics to make them look three-dimensional. It's a complete course that you will ever need to be an excellent illustrator. Reach out our website right now, and, in case of any query, contact us at 9711308846.